Hi, this is the Theramid Tetramid C.E.F serum, and I'm going to do a rapid review, and then I'll do all the details in a moment. So, first criteria, packaging. I gave them a good score for that. Good score for alcohol. Good score for fragrance. Good score for the manufacturing location. Good score for ease of use. Good score for antioxidants. Good score for animal testing. Good score for performance. Thumbs down for the price, and then a thumbs up for the it factor. So now I'm going to go in and explain everything now. So, Theramid has a little sale. That's why I thought I got actually requested to review this one, so thought I would give it a chance while it's on sale for everyone. So, they say the supercharged vitamin C treatment includes a powerful antioxidant effect that is developed to provide optimum protection from free radicals, boost skin glow, and target imperfections from photoaging. Use this product if you're looking for visibly brighter, smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin, which is like basically every single human on the planet is looking for that. So maybe with the exception of somebody that's perfect. I don't know. I don't know any of them. Huh? Cameraman. There we go. In this formula, you use 3 different types of vitamin C. Why, you might ask? The answer is simple. Because the function of vitamin C varies within the different layers of the skin. We use the necessary types of vitamin C when and where it's needed. And when it comes to ascorbic acid derivatives, there's many of them, and many of them are still lacking a lot of real independent research. A lot of times the manufacturer of certain derivatives will do their own research, but, you know, it's good sometimes to take that with a grain of salt because manufacturers are typically looking to sell something, and, yeah, so they're going to show good results, and if something came back negative, they probably just wouldn't even tell you, so... Okay, so for packaging, I like Theramid's packaging. I like what they do with this. It's fun, and you can see orange. You think vitamin C, you think oranges. So I like the packaging. It's in a glass pump bottle, so no issues with that. They changed their pumps on a few of them recently, which I like because I've got the azelaic acid one, and that pump always clogs, but I didn't have that problem with these ones. So no issues with the packaging. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It has no fragrance ingredients, but it does have a very faint, like metallic metal type smell, which is probably from either one of the vitamin C's or from the ferulic acid. It's a little bit noticeable, but it dissipates pretty darn quickly, so no issues with that. This is manufactured in Spain, so no issues again with that. So ease of use. So you want to use this in your serum texture, typically in your morning routine, but there are people that like to use vitamin C at night. Which I can understand as well, because vitamin C can be kind of iffy for some people, and for some people, it's not their favorite product, but so sometimes using it at night, there's no issue with that, but to get the antioxidant and the photo protection underneath your sunscreen, you want to use it during the daytime, so, yeah, so, very nice serum texture, absorbs pretty nicely, so you're going to want to use it after cleansing and toning, and then before moisturizer or sunscreen. So very nice. Feels very nice on the skin. And I'm using it right now underneath my sunscreen, so it feels very nice. I like it. So, yeah, so it helps protect your skin against the sun and external stressors and environmental damage. So, yeah, so it absorbs pretty quickly, and it sets to, I would say, a natural finish. It's kind of a little bit of a glowy finish, which I appreciate. Kind of natural and / glowy, but not like super matte. Like certain water-based ascorbic acid serums can leave your skin feeling kind of dry. This does not do that at all. So, and then after it soaks in, apply your moisturizer and sunscreen, and you're good to go. And it layers well under other products, so no issues at all with that. Very easy and fun, enjoyable to use. Although I do smell that smell, which I'm thinking is probably, I'm starting to think it's maybe the ferulic acid in a lot of these. So, okay, beneficial ingredients, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got Ascorbyl Tetraisopalmitate, which is an antioxidant, oil, lipid, soluble form of vitamin C. May help prevent and protect against environmental stressors and damage, and also help with collagen production. A lot of these things aren't totally proven by like double-blind research studies. So that's what I kind of like about some of these vitamin C serums that use the derivatives. I really like the ones that use different ones in the same product, because if one is found later that, hey, that one, you know what, it didn't absorb, it didn't do anything, but hey, this form was great. So I like that. Then we've got Ascorbyl Glucoside, which is another stable vitamin C derivative with antioxidant benefits. It's actually one of the more promising looking vitamin C derivatives, and it's got the skin brightening and collagen producing benefits, it looks like. We've got soybean seed extract, which is an antioxidant, soothing and hydrating and brightening ingredient. We've got 1% vitamin E, antioxidant emollient. Then we've got another type of vitamin C, Ascorbyl Methylsilanol Pectinate, which is another ascorbic acid derivative with brightening and antioxidant benefits, hopefully. And then we've got 0.5% of ferulic acid, antioxidant, skin protecting ingredient. You see it with vitamin C all the time because it really helps your vitamin C work better and provide more photoprotection, things like that. So no issues with that. Oh, here we go. It's kind of soaked in so you can kind of see what it looks like after it's absorbed. No issues with that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this brand is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's gluten-free. And if you're watching my second channel, I'm doing some cooking recipes, so I have some vegan, a few people that would like some vegan recipes, so I'm going to work on that. But if you have any vegan recipes, leave me a comment, because I've done shepherd's pie 2 ways now, and I did, just the other day I recorded chicken, what was it called? Tuscan creamy garlicky chicken or something like that. So I had requests for vegan recipes, so I'll have to work on that. So cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. Okay, in terms of performance, very nice and gentle vitamin C. It gives a nice glowy finish for the daytime. For those that are sensitive to ascorbic acid, this one's a nice option, giving you a few more types of vitamin C in it. So for what this product promises, this vitamin C includes a powerful antioxidant effect that is developed to provide optimum protection from free radicals, boost skin glow, and target imperfections from photoaging. Use this product if you are looking for visibly brighter, smoother, firmer, younger looking skin. I would say it does some of that. When it comes to providing optimum photoprotection, I think optimum photoprotection is probably going to be from ascorbic acid because it's more proven, it's more research, it's more studied. So this will provide hopefully some photoprotection, but we don't really know how it actually compares to the actual ascorbic acid. So, I mean, can we say it's optimum? It might be a little over-promising, and who knows? It might over-deliver, but we don't really know. So it's hard to take a promise and promise that. So, yeah, so the derivatives may still give you some protection, though, from free radical damage. It does give skin a nice glow feeling on it, which is really nice, and it does fit into my routine pretty easily, so it does promise with most of that. Lincoln's in the house because he refused. He wanted to be in the video, and now he wants to leave the room, but yeah, anyway. Yeah, he never knocks on the door, and now he's knocking, so thanks! You're bored with my review already, huh, Lincoln? Rude! And I just paid him, too, to be down here, so... okay, so yeah, for real glow and brightening, and again, ascorbic acid does it. And it's hard to not notice it if you've used it. So ascorbic acid is, yeah, will for sure give you a glow and things like that. So, yeah, so for acne-prone skin, there's no ingredients of note, which is nice. Lincoln! There's Lincoln. He's a little baby. Yeah. So, yeah, so friendly for acne-prone skin, friendly for most skin types, including sensitive, dry, oily, and acne-prone. Love it. Does well. Performs nicely. In terms of the price, it's a little pricey. So, at the full size, 30 milliliters, 1 ounce, and it retails for $40 unless it's on sale, which it currently is. So, regular price, it's a little expensive. Not terribly so, but it's a little steep in my opinion, but it's a really nice product. So yeah, that's I think the only downside. In terms of the it factor, very nice product from Theramid. And it has some nice dupes and alternatives to it, and a lot of these are much more expensive even. So some dupes and alternatives include the Tula Brightening Treatment Drops Triple Vitamin C Serum, the Drunk Elephant Luma Hydra Bright Serum, the Youth to the People 15% Vitamin C and Clean Caffeine Serum, the Cora Organics Noni Bright Vitamin C Serum, and the Paula's Choice 25% Vitamin C and Glutathione Serum. So, with the 10 being a perfect score, this one a 9. It's a very nice product. So, I think people have good luck with it. So, now Now we're getting blowback from Mike. They're really fired it up today. So anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.